Hi everyone. Today we'll be looking at the Hero AUD and how we going to make some good pips by having some good entries as the market open during this week. Okay, so now we're looking at the weekly chart right here. We going to see that from the weekly chart we have some bearish market movement here. We can see these bearish engulfing candlestick here, all right, and we can see a pullback, okay, a bearish market pattern here, a pullback, okay, a pullback top, all right, or a double top, all right, and we can see that this particular candle, okay, did not close above the week, all right. Let me bring that. You can see this candle sort of an inside bar, okay, did not close above the wick of this candle, all right, and we can see the bearish engulfing candlestick here, type A, all right, and we're going to watch to see this candle, this bearish candle, okay, closing below this candle, okay, signifying the bearish momentum or the seller still in the market, all right. So we're going to see how we're going to trade this. We'll move down to the weekly chart. And from the weekly chart here, we can actually see that price actually made series of higher highs and higher lows, all right? We can see this point here, okay? And we can see several support levels, okay, being broken there, okay? We can see many support levels here, all right? You can see candlesticks support levels here, all right? You can see this, okay, and then we can see the first lower high, okay, that formed here, okay. The moment this structure here, okay, this bearish structure, okay, was broken, all right. This is the break point here, the intersection point, all right. So this structure, okay, was broken. This is the intersection point. As once it got broken, we can see the first retest of this level was this lower high, and we can see market drop, all right. Good. So we also expecting further confirmation to tell us we are in a bearish market condition, and we can likely see that happening, all right. Now we can see the next lower high that formed here, okay, after this previous lower high and lower low here, all right. So now we can see this lower high and also expecting to see some market drop, all right, to a certain level, okay. And you can see this lower high got a retest of this support level, okay, broke through it, okay, making it a resistance, a support on resistance there, all right. Now using our fib, we're going to draw our fib from the previous lower high, okay, and there we go. So we're gonna see price on our PRZ level, okay, our price fib level, okay, which is 38.2, 50.0, and 61.8, and we can see this candlestick formation here, okay. You can see the pin bar, you can see the bearish bar as well, the full bearish bar telling us the seller's pressure, okay, this big bearish bar here, all right, on the 50% fib level, all right. So now we gonna expect price to get to our first take profit level, which is minus 27.6. Okay, let me make the reverse of this fib. Okay, it's still the same thing, just I just like using sometimes the reverse like this. Okay, we can see this Okay, you can see price got to still the fifth level 50% after breaking through 61.8. All is the same thing. So now this is our first take profit level. This is our second take profit level. Okay, so now what are we saying? This is our market candlestick confirmation on our PRZ level. One of our PRZ level 50%. All right, broke through 61.8%, and we're likely expecting a drop. Okay, after a break of this level. Okay, expecting a drop to our first take profit level and second take profit level. All right, so we our sentiment here or bias is on the bearish side. Okay, we've seen our lower high forming, and it formed on our PRZ level, fifth level, and we can see the support broken here, on resistance of this lower high. So we're expecting price to drop to our first take profit level, and gracefully, if it does, it gets to our second take profit level, and we'll make lots of pips trading the Euro AUD as markets open. All right, so you can see the confluence of this support level, okay, with our fifth level, PRZ level 61.8. All right, you can see that confluence there. So we still expecting more of the bearish drop, okay, the sellers in the market. All right, so we're gonna move down to the 4-hour time frame here. Okay, this is a 4-hour time frame. Now we can see this pullback here. All right, this pullback top here. Okay, that actually the lower high. All right, so now we can see price moving, and price started retracing from this point. All right, now this point here, this support level, okay, is not really a strong support level. All right, it's just because it's a fresh level, so price likely getting there will reverse. All right, so now we're gonna look at this candlestick formation here. Let me use this. We're going to look at this candlestick formation here. All right, now we are going to see a type 2 weak formation there. All right, this is a type 2 weak formation. All right, it's very good for entry. All right, this is a type 2 weak formation. We have, it's like a false head and shoulder or inverted head and shoulder, depending on how it forms. Now it's a false inverted head and shoulder. Okay, you can see this shoulder, this head, and this shoulder here. All right, so now we want price getting to this type 2 weak formation. All right, and creating another lower high, because getting a good look, this is a lower high here. All right, and we want to see price creating another lower high here. All right, with our type 2 weak formation here. All right, so we expect price coming there. We can draw our fib as well, but since we have this weak formation and we've seen price bounce from this level, this fresh zone here, so likely price getting here, creating another lower high, we're expecting a drop. All right, we're expecting a drop to break through this level here, okay, down to our take profit level. All right, so we're going to see on our 1 hour time frame where we're likely going to make our entry, okay, take most of our trade. All right, so this is it. You can see this, clearly. Gonna mark this level here too as well. All right, all right, so now we can see this clearly. All right, now we can see markets coming to this level, which is gonna be a support. All right, turn resistance, all right, with our lower high, okay, lower low, okay, and we're expecting a lower high here, all right, and then we can price action confirmation, we see this level broken, and then we'll be in the trade, all right. So same as well, we see series of lower highs here, a lower high here, okay, you see this lower high here, all right. So actually we are in a bearish market condition, all right. Now if you look at this structure was broken, okay, this market structure was broken, all right. This market structure here was broken as price went through it, okay. This was the intersection point that created the first new lower high, all right. This is a point that was broken of the market structure, and we can see the first new lower high, all right. Price went down and created another. So this bearish pullback, yeah, market structure here really signifies that the trend has reversed and we are in a bearish market condition. So we have a whole lot of odds in our favor, a whole lot of uh, uh, probabilities of a chance of success, okay, trading this, all right. As well, you know, you don't just say, okay, I have a support and resistance here. We also use our FIP from this point here, okay, to this point, yeah, all right. So we're gonna see this, what price is going to do on our PRZ level, 38.2, 50.0%, and 61.8%. And we're going to see price likely drop to our first take profit, second take profit level, okay. And as price keeps moving, okay, with little pullbacks, okay, and bear flags or whatever continuation pattern or whatever pullback it's going to do, we can see price likely drop to daily levels here, all right. So that's, guys, thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to a YouTube video, share the link. To know more about us, visit the bios for more information. Thanks, guys.